Alright, she's rough this morning. We got some angry seas. Look at that, windy. Yeah. Gonna make for a fun day. Alright, now we're probably about 200 miles away from land anywhere. You just catching a ride. What up, Alex? Alright, here we are, day 4 of 4.
Last day.
Oh, I hope it's not the last day.
Last day of our cruise.
Oh.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're getting wet.
Yeah. It's
Flashing.
a little sunny, but it rained earlier this morning, so the rain's blowing on us.
You saw it. Seas were angry this morning. But anyway, so it's all calmed down a little bit now, and the sun's out, and we're having fun. See the bird?
We're relaxing right now.
I don't know what the bird's doing up there. We're like way away from land. You got a lot of work to do to get home. But anyway, today is a pool day. She's happy.
Yeah, as long as the sun stays out.
I think it's going to. Even though it is sprinkling right now, but there's not a cloud in the sky.
It might be just water from where the things are wet.
Yeah. But anyway, we'll bring it to you later.
It's pretty out here.
Yep. See ya. Say bye.
See ya. Bye.
Say bye.
I said bye.
So Terry's going to take a nap. She's going to take a nappy. I'm going to go for about 45 minutes, go back to the casino and see if I can't get a little bit more up. Where are we going, babe?
We're not going. We're already here. We're at dinner. We get to sit by the window tonight. So we're going to have a good dinner. And Patrick won the steakhouse from the casino. So we're going to enjoy the steakhouse tonight.
Yep.
Well, we got lucky.
I'm going to enjoy the steakhouse and what's on the menu.
That's right. He's hungry. Yeah.
Hungry.
Okay.
See ya.
Bye.
First appetizer, fried green tomatoes.
Hopefully they're good.
Mine, first appetizer, minestrone soup.
Stay tuned.
Second appetizer, shrimp cocktail. Terry got the Asian Cobb salad for her second appetizer. This is on the new menu.
Shot, shot, shot! Photo bomb. Shot, shot!
Terry got the filet mignon, steakhouse, and I got lamb chops.
And we do have some backup singers doing all that music.
All your bags are packed, you're ready to go. We're standing here in front of you. We hate to see you go and say goodbye.
Dessert, Terry got the bubbly cake.
Babaloo!
And I got I finally got my banana split.
Yeah, we did. This is the second one I've
All right, good evening. We got so caught up in our activities, we forgot to do a close-in video. So it's late. We got to get off in the morning, and Terry's already in bed, and because she's got to go to work in the morning. So we'll see you next one up, February 15th, back on the Carnival Paradise, and then we're kind of done with the Paradise, I think, till June. We'll be going on the Vista and a few other ships. All right, so we'll see you on the next one. No chocolate martinis, no nothing tonight. Even though they can't make chocolate martinis. Crazy. Good night.